This is demo for NovaDot, and without wasting much time, let's go into it. So I created a test user wallet, and I funded it with Polkadot tokens, 400, so we could use for our testing. So let's start by connecting our wallet. Okay. And MetaMask might waste some time on the pop-up, but it's all good. So here we are. We have our dashboard. Here we could see the um, token W dot, the price which it is pegged to, and we have access to USDC. You could borrow USDT to W dot against W dot rather. So let's begin without further ado. First off, since there is no Polkadot doesn't have a stablecoin, and dot too is not on the Polkadot at the moment at the Pasio testnet. So I had to create my token, and this is the token that's going to be available when you come to the platform. You get to get W dot and USDC. So let's mint that. So we have gotten 100 W dot, and we can mint 1000 USDC as well to play around with. Okay. So now we both have our W dot and our USDC. We can go right ahead and start our deposit. So first off, we have to deposit our dot collateral, and let's do 10. Okay. So transaction has been submitted, and after a while, you will see a confirm notification come up, and then we'll know that we've deposited it into our pool. Okay, so it's in, and we have W dot 10 W dot deposited, and you could see the price here, which is approximately $60 worth of it. And now that we have W dot pegged, we can now borrow, and so let's try borrowing 20. Now the health factor displays how healthy your collateral is compared to your debt, and it lets you know when you're approaching a danger phase, which is lower than 1.3. Okay, and you can see now I have 20 USDC borrowed, and the health factor is 2.5, which is safe, shown according to. Now you could use this USDC to do whatever you want to do. And let's say it's time for you to repay. You already have $1,000 already. If you can notice here, the balance has been updated because you've added $20 more to the USDC, and now you have 20 USDC to your normal 1,000 USDC that you had before. If you didn't have USDC, it will only be $20 there, 20 USDC there rather. So now that we have that, let's just say we've done what we wanted to do. We've probably used it on another protocol um to do swaps and stuff. And now it's time for you to repay. You just come to the repay tab, and it shows you how much you're owing, and you just have to add that. So 20, and we'll click the repay loan. Okay, so now that we repaid, everything goes back to 5 and it's safe again. We have approximately 0 USDC being owed. Money is being returned. Balance updates. W dot updates as well. We still have 10 W dots, in the protocol. And if you want to withdraw your collateral, you can easily do that here. Say you want to withdraw 9. Let's withdraw 9. And this is the reason why we can't withdraw all, because the position must remain above 150% collateral ratio after withdrawal. So that is the reason why. So let's leave one in there just for the culture. Okay, so everything is confirmed. WDOT returns to our wallet. As you can see, we have 99 here. You could check it also, and it will be, if we were to add this to our MetaMask, I'm not sure I've added it yet, but if we were to add it, it will display here as well. And we have WDOT displayed, mock USDC display. You could refresh it here time after time to always confirm if it's live, and it is live. So in the liquidate tab, this is where the health factor is less than 1.0. And for it not to be safe, the health has to be less than 1.3 to be declared unsafe. And so we are going to test that to see. So let's see what happens when we try to borrow more than the collateral that is being given based on the Oracle price to test this health factor, right? So we have 11 dots here, and say we want to borrow 41. I think that should put it above 1.2. So let's try that. Okay, so this is a warning, and we have 41. It's not yet below what we are looking for yet. So let's keep borrowing. Say I add an extra 2. Okay, so now we have it below the 1.3 verse, and you could see the pop-up come out here that the health factor is below 1.3, and we need to add collateral or repay debt to avoid liquidation. So this warning will automatically make the you trigger a blockchain to make it trigger a transaction which will record your debt to the blockchain, making it permanent so that it cannot be avoided. And if you refuse to sign this every 30 seconds, it will trigger again until you are able to sign. So it's just like you signing a contract knowing that okay, I'm supposed to pay this. It's a dangerous thing to have this kind of debt and I'm supposed to pay this. So this is it generally. If you sign it, it goes away. And we keep on getting this bar except you close it here, but you keep on getting this. It will never leave until you fix this. And the way to fix your health factor is by repaying the loan that you owe. So I'm owing about 43, and if I should repay that, the everything falls back into place. The risk comes back to normal, and everything is sorted out. So now it's back in green. Health factor is safe, and we have zero debt. Our balance is back to how it was in the beginning, and everything is clear and everything is good. And we've avoided um, liquidation. We do not have to get liquidated here. So thank you.